Hey, hit records on my demo. Did y'all boys not get the memo? I do not stay at the continental. Anything that is not rental, I own them all.
Yeah, so yeah, these are all the targets here. Lots of holes, my friends. Let's go see how we did. What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, here for another video. Got something different for you guys today. I got a little toy. Well, not really a toy, but I got something new, a new little project, and it's downstairs. I got it about, well, like a week and a half ago or so, and got some new parts for it. So it's looking real baby right now, but just give me a little minute, and we'll switch that up. I've been trying to shoot this video for the past like week, you know, since I got it. Literally 3 times in a row went to the range and showed up too late. It's kind of ridiculous, right? But yeah, now finally the rest of my parts are in, so you know, it all works out anyway. So got something interesting for you guys today. Should be fun. But yeah, as you can see, I'm fresh off work and started vlogging, so let's switch that up real quick. Boom. Okay, cool. Let's go check it out. So I ordered 3 accessories straight off the bat. So far I have 4 on the gun, but, well, not on it yet, but I have 4 total right now. But ordered 3 online, and one of them came super quick, and the last 2 just came in today. But like, I was like freaking out because, you know, I wanted to go to the range today and everything, and you know what I'm saying, it's like, stuff's not here yet. Tracking said it was supposed to be here today, but it wasn't here yet. But checked the mailbox and somehow they jammed it in there and didn't even update the tracking. So yeah, I'm hyped. Finally got my stuff. So finally onto the project. This right here, ladies and gentlemen, is the Anderson Manufacturing AM-15. Their little M4 remake. And for all you safety nuts, yeah, there's nothing in it. As you can see, no clip. But yeah, anyway, like I said, yeah, it is the Anderson Manufacturing AM-15. It's their M4 build. It's, you know, labeled as the no oil gun. I've seen a few videos of people shooting, you know, several thousands of rounds on it without oiling the gun and everything. But I went ahead and oiled it a little bit anyway. So it has your regular carbine length handguard and an adjustable stock, you know, unlike most AR-15s. Like I said, it is their little M4 remake. This is the first mod I've done so far. It's the Vector Crossfire red dot sight. It's actually pretty sick. I'll turn it on for you guys. Oh, looks like my brother left it on. Seems to be the best we can get with the red dot, but ooh. But yeah, it's a pretty sick sight. It actually comes with the lifetime warranty, and like it, you know, covers accidental damage and stuff like that. So it's not like one of those bullshit warranties that's like, yeah, if there's a scratch on it, we can't fix it. The only thing you really won't get covered with the Crossfire is like if I legit took like a hammer to it or something. But I think that's pretty cool, good for the price. But on to the other mods. So yeah, this is how it came stock. It came with that mag, and I have a few Magpul mags, 3 of them that the guy threw in with the purchase. But and obviously, yeah, it didn't come with this scope, but you know, it doesn't have a front sight, so that's when I went ahead and got the scope. I'll probably also buy a front sight at some point, but I won't need a rear sight. That's a little excessive in my opinion. But yeah, on to what else did I get? Let's see. Ooh. Okay, cool. What was in this package? Right here, got the carbine length 4-rail setup. thing's pretty sick. I mean, the stock one is just too stock for me. So this is gonna allow for a lot more accessories, obviously, and it'll just make it look cooler. Yeah, 4-rail setup. Can do a lot with this bad boy, so excited about that. The retracting foregrip, I think it's cool because I'll be able to fold it in and take away some space. Yeah, boom, folds in. Oh, boom. Okay, let me put everything on the gun and let's see what it looks like. Step 1, stocks. So you already removed all the screws, right? But okay, finally have the new handguard on, new foregrip, retracted. Boom. Did the installation with no direction, so yeah, wasn't bad. Well, Mike's here, ready to go. Oh, so where's the Chris? In the car?
Yeah, it's in the car right now.
Okay, yeah, we'll have to check out the Chris later. One last thing that I ordered. As you see with the 4 Picatinny rails, there's a lot of railing going on there. So it's one of those situations where if I'm not using the railing, I might as well cover it up. So I have covers here. That was the first thing that actually came in. So yeah, here are the rail covers. They're UTG rail covers. My boy Mike downstairs also has an AR. He got the same ones, recommended them, so I went with them. So final product.
That looks a whole lot better. Let's see what happens.
Next mod, trying to get a flashlight on the side railing there. Let's do this. So we're about to head to the range right now. These will be the first shots with the red dot sight actually lined up. So right now it hasn't been zeroed yet, so it's gonna be the first order of business, but about time. Let's do this.
Yes, I'll take a box of those.
I need to get you that American, give you that Elite to set it up. Yep. You want what?
He said the manufacturer said it's supposed to.
How you feel about that? Let's see how he did.
Alright, well, the only difference is like, you know how your charger handle's in back? This is the charger handle on this one.
Yeah.
So, just pull back, let go, and it loads itself.
Yeah.
And the magazine goes down on the bottom.
Okay.
At least I'm in there now. The sight's a little low.
Okay. Okay, so we're back from the range now. Got the red dot sight zeroed and took a good 30 to 40 shots. Got comfortable with it and it turned out cool. So now I'm starving, and Mike spotted a little taco stand back there, so I'm about to go check that out. Time for some tacos.
To grub.
To grub. So apparently this is the hookup right here. About to find out. But you know what's crazy though? Peep this. Dude, Mike is trying to kill us. Hey, am I gonna die after this, Mike?
No.
If you're ever on Glenwood. So yeah, this is Mike's, right? With the Chris Vector. Every shot on here is from the Chris Vector, right?
But yeah, but he was zeroing it. That's why you see
all over the place. So yeah, both of these were for zeroing. This is the one I used to zero my red dot scope. Yeah, and then these are the ones we shot. Damn, so these were Nana's two shots.
Right here in the head.
And then one in the head. Okay. And then we both did this. I don't know, you should have switched it back to yours, but...
Yeah, I know these 3 are mine out here.
Oh yeah, because you like, shot the 9 on purpose.
Whoever
and then a lot
shot
of
4 into this...
You know, because you know at the end, I started just firing.
Yeah.
So, but yeah. There it is, folks. Got some accurate guns, but yeah, the Chris Vector is a beast, Mike.
Yo, as far as like recoil, like easy.
No recoil. Yeah, like so the AR is a little like it could be a little intimidating, but like the Chris is just so confident.
You know the Chris was manufactured about 20 years after.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. No, so yeah, that thing is just smooth, and as you can see, this is one of the ones from the Chris that I did, and here's Mike's right here. So you see it. But yeah, I think that's it. I think we're good to end the video here, right? Until next time, peace. Psych, not ending the video yet, because I almost messed up big time. You gotta check out the tacos, very fresh. Mike just killed his in like 2 seconds, so I already know these are about to be lit. For real this time. Got some cool Porsche stuff coming up in the next video, so stick around. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, like, comment, share. But yeah, peace.
Lyrically, I'm untouchable, uncrushable. Running in a 600, running in a 600. Untouchable, uncrushable. Running in a 600.